What is up, everybody? So today I went to Walmart. I've been looking for, like a little emergency pack to keep in the CRV. I normally don't do like review videos, but I figured I'd do this because honestly, after looking at, I haven't opened it yet. I was just taking the packaging off, but after looking at the packaging, I think everybody should carry one. Well, yeah, let me get it out. That was the spare tire. I put it on and it blew out. So remember, always take your spare tires. Let's see. There we go. I hope that didn't break. Alright, guys. So it's called a just in case. Decent packaging. It's got, I didn't even know this. Check this out. It has expandable storage. That's gonna come in handy when I add more of my bug out survival gear in here. See if I can. Let me put you guys down for a second. If I can find a place to set you. No! I'm so sorry, YouTube. Tell you what, I'll set y'all over there. Stay right there for a minute. Try and hold this back up. That is neat. I did not know that about this pack. Alright, so, hell, I even found out something new. Sorry if it's a little hard to understand me. I got my Copenhagen in. Let me try and do this. I forgot my tripod in the house. We just had a really bad storm. It's been coming through for 2 days. So I had to park out in the field so that none of these trees fell in the car. Which looks like a damn Ford junkyard out here. Which all Fords belong in a junkyard, just saying. But, back to the case. Oh, and it has Velcro on the bottom, so it'll stick to your carpet. But I just keep mine in the storage area underneath the back here. It's got a zipper in here. Let's see if I can move this spare tire out of the way for a minute. This is how I was driving down the road when that blew out. But, anyways. Alright, guys. So, inside, you can see we have a tire pump. Does not have a gauge on it, but plugs into your cigarette lighter. If you have a CRV, the older models, which this is the RD1, has an outlet in the trunk. That's great to have. It also has, if this will focus, there we go. You can pump up like a basketball or whatever. It has a spare fuse with it. It has some universal, one size fits all work gloves. It comes with the road triangle, emergency triangle to alert other motorists. It has a little small emergency first aid kit, some band-aids, some clean wipes. It's nice. An emergency poncho in case you get caught in the rain. A hooded plastic poncho. It's pretty cool. Comes with 2D batteries and a flashlight. I got those are for the flashlight. I'm not going to take this triangle out because the way it's wrapped. But comes with a nice fleece blanket. That's good to have in case something happens and you have to sleep in your car or whatever. Comes with a set of small gauge wire. And you can see I have really small hands, so it's about a 1/2 inch wide, and that's for both cables. But this is what I really liked about this kit. Comes with a tow strap. It has the hook on, has a loop on one side. So if the person you're pulling out has a hitch, you can hook that around the ball. Hook this to your factory tow hooks. I'm stuck in the mud right now on my boots. But see, on my CRV, I can throw that hook right on here on my shackle. Or if I have to, pull this through their, if it's another car, pull this through their factory D-ring hook, tie down, and then pull that through this hole, and then run it back to my car, or back to the shackle on mine and pull it, because being as I'm all-wheel drive, I have a better chance of pulling somebody out than a front-wheel drive car. But, I would recommend this for everybody to keep in their trunk or hatch if you have an SUV. Because you never know when you might come in contact with an emergency where we might need some of this stuff. But put that back together in a minute. Me personally, I'm going to be adding a few more items like a glass breaker, a seatbelt cutter. Because if I come along, on a wreck or something, and somebody's trapped in the car, you can break the window, you can cut the seatbelt if they're trapped. I'm going to upgrade the medical kit that's in there. Might put a better flashlight in there, I don't know. And probably a bigger set of jumper cables. But other than that, everything seems fine. That kit at Walmart, I think I paid $37 after tax, so that's not bad for all the equipment that you get. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more review videos on my channel, let me know. Remember, this is the just in case kit, emergency car package. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you have not, and share with your friends. Later.